Managing subscription billing in Salesforce can be a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their processes and make invoicing and payments a breeze. In this video, I'll show you how to efficiently manage subscription billing within Salesforce so you can focus on scaling your business while keeping everything organized. Stick around till the end because I'll share some exclusive tips and a bonus offer that you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing to know is that Salesforce subscription billing is a feature specifically designed to help businesses manage recurring billing, automate invoicing, and improve payment collections. By integrating it into your Salesforce platform, you can easily track customer subscriptions and handle all aspects of billing, from pricing models to renewals. Next thing you need to consider is setting up your products and pricing. Salesforce allows you to create different pricing models for your subscriptions, whether it's flat rate, tiered, or usage-based pricing. This flexibility ensures that no matter what type of product or service you offer, Salesforce can adapt to your specific needs. The third thing to remember is how to manage billing cycles. Once your products and pricing are set up, you can configure billing cycles to ensure timely and accurate invoicing. Salesforce gives you the ability to define a start and end dates of each cycle, set payment terms, and even automate recurring billing. This eliminates manual errors and delays, ensuring that you get paid on time every time. Next thing is managing renewals. Subscription-based businesses need a reliable system to handle renewals, and Salesforce subscription billing makes this super easy. You can set up automatic renewal reminders for your customers, which helps prevent missed payments or lost business. You can even configure renewal rules based on specific dates, so you never have to worry about missing an opportunity to keep your customers on board. The fifth thing to focus on is reports and analytics. Salesforce provides detailed analytics and reporting tools that allow you to track revenue, churn rates, and customer retention. This data is vital to understanding the health of your subscription-based business and making adjustments as needed to improve profitability. The last thing is managing payments and collections. Salesforce integrates with various payment gateways to process transactions, and it provides tools to help you manage collections when payments fail. With automated workflows, you can send out reminders and notifications to customers with overdue payments, making sure you're always in control of your cash flow. And here's the best part. You can use Salesforce subscription billing for completely free by clicking the first link below and claiming our exclusive bonus. Remember, whether you're a growing startup or an established enterprise, Salesforce makes managing subscription billing easy and efficient. And don't forget, with the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial to test out all these features for yourself.